Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian and today we're going to be looking at the Toyota 4Runner SR5 Limited. This is a 7-passenger 4-door SUV in midnight black. Under the hood you'll find a 4-liter V6 driving on 20-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include your fog lights and daytime running lights, turn signals on the side mirrors, running boards, and roof rails. But now why don't we hop inside this 4Runner and see what else it has to offer. Helping us inside, we got our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock buttons. Those are panic button. We're going to take a look in the front first. This 4Runner does have a smart key system, so if you got your key fob in your pocket, just put your hand right in there and the vehicle will unlock. Taking a look in the door on the bottom, you do have some nice storage. Above it are your seating presets. And on the top, you do have your power windows and locks. Next to the door, you have your power mirrors. Equipped with all weather mats and red wood leather. On the bottom you'll find your power seating adjustment buttons. Now let's hop inside. We're going to start it up, push to start, foot on the brake, engine start button right behind the wheel. We're going to take a look on the left side first. Here you have this cluster and this will just help you navigate through your entertainment display screen right there. You also have your volume options. On the right you have your hands-free calling and your voice recognition system, and you also have this display button which allows you to navigate through your multi-information display. Behind the wheel you do have your cruise control speed settings. Moving on to our screen here. Right now we're on home. On one side we got the navigation map, on the other side you have your audio, any audio that might be playing and any phone or device that might be connected. You can also press that and that map will enlarge. If you press audio, that'll take you to your sources. You have your standard AM and FM. You also have a choice between CD, USB auxiliary, and Bluetooth. Backup camera, guidelines. Moving down, you have your climate control system. It is a dual zone, so the temperatures can be adjusted on both sides. Underneath, you have your driver and passenger heated and cooled seats, USB auxiliary, and your 12-volt outlet. Got some storage space here, cup holder. Next to the shifter you have this nice little space perhaps for your phone, another cup holder. Center console, lots of room in this one. Also features a 12-volt outlet. And lastly is the glove box button. Just pops right down nice and slow, providing lots of space in there as well. Now let's just close that right up. So before we open up the cargo, let's take a quick look in the back. On the bottom you have some storage space just like your driver's side. Continuing with the all-weather mats and redwood leather. Behind the two front seats you do have these little nets for some extra storage. Inside here, if we pull this down, you got a nice little armrest and two cup holders that come out like that. Let's just put that back. And lastly, these seats do fold down. Just press this up and that'll give you access to your third row seating. So to open up, all we got to do is press this button right underneath here and that liftgate will open nice and easy. To put the seats down, all you got to do is pull these tabs. The headrest will pop down and you press these up and down the seats go. Lots of cargo space, and of course the second row seating does go down. That'll give you some extra bit of cargo space. Of course, for those third row passengers, we do have some storage and two cup holders. So to close up, we've got these handles on both sides. Just give that a gentle push. Taking a last look at our Toyota 4Runner SR5 Limited. Once again, some of those great interior features include your redwood leather heated seats, backup camera, Bluetooth, and navigation. There's a whole lot more I still didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here, Toyota Northwest Edmonton, on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.